Hi, this is Adriana, and I just want to share the live stream from NASA. Every 45 minutes, the space station passes into a period of night and then video is unavailable. The HDV, which is the High Definition Earth Viewing System, stopped sending data last year in July, and then later in August, it was declared that it had reached its end of life. So they're streaming from an external camera mounted on the ISS model Node 2, which is on the forward part of the ISS. They have magnificent views. We're doing our everyday things down here, and these people are all the way up there. They have magnificent views. I remember my dad loved watching the NASA live streams very often. I really enjoy. You can use these also for meditation. But these are amazing views, and I hope you enjoy them. There are several channels streaming. So this is as part of the series of videos for the video challenge for SalesVision. And if you have a product to sell or a business and you need leads, you can join SalesVision. You can create a free account and start getting leads. And you'll find the link in the description. And thank you for watching.